In front of me is Doogee X100, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So first of all, we have to open list of all apps, go to the settings, then select system as the very last tab, and here you will notice developer options. If you cannot see developer mode right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to activate developer options and then smoothly enter it. Then scroll down a bit and here you will notice system demo mode. So mark it, and if you'd like to enable demo mode, click here and that's it. Now it is on. You can show it by tapping on show demo mode, and as you can see, it has been already displayed. So that will be all. To switch off demo mode, just mark on the switcher and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.